How to restore closed tabs in Chrome browser. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to restore all your closed tabs in your Chrome browser. So the first stuff, after you open up now your browser, I'll show you two methods. So the first method, click on this three dot, go to this history, and click on this where it says as can see now. If you come to this option, it will give you recent tabs. So if you want to restore your recent tab that you are working on, just go to the option like this one. After you go to the recent tab, so it will give you this option here. It says restore now. So restore window, click on it. So from there, as you can see now, it will give you the recent tab that you are working on, that you just close your PC or your PC just turn off suddenly. So the next thing now, the next step to restore like close tab is by going to this method, by following this method. After you open the Chrome browser, the next step, click on this three dot, go to history, and then go to history again. After you click on the history, so here it will give you all your history as you can see now, according to time. As you can see now, you'll be able to find them. Just go and select the history you want to restore, tabs you want to restore. So let's say I want to restore all these tabs. So after you select all the tabs you want to restore, click on this open button. So from there, all the tabs will be open for you. And that's it, guys, on how to restore Close tab in Chrome browser. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.